Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk about something that sounds like a beautiful idea. It is a wonderful idea, a gold-backed cryptocurrency. That's it. Gold-backed cryptocurrency. Like, what's not to love about that? Well, I'm gonna get into that right now. So, for me personally, I have a few things to say about this, but why would people want a gold-backed cryptocurrency? I mean, well, the main reason being that people around the world say, hey, look, the reason why I don't want to invest in Bitcoin is because there's no intrinsic value. Like, there's nothing backing it. Why would I want something that nothing backs? And I just have to say to those people, newsflash, nothing backs the US dollar. Actually, I take that back. A whole army backs the US dollar because they will fight and kill for that dollar. But that's a different story for a different day. The gold-backed cryptocurrencies. It's a good idea because people are like, hey, gold holds value, cryptocurrency, it goes hand in hand. It should go. For me, I don't really see a need for it. Why? Because I would just hold my own gold. You know, I have my own gold in my own safe, and you know, get my own guns to guard my own gold and my own silver, and right next to my ledger and all that stuff. So for people who would want to hold a shit ton of gold, then you would need a custody provider anyway, and that custody provider will provide you with an account anyway, and that account doesn't really need to have a blockchain behind it. It could just be a spreadsheet. It could just be any type of distributed ledger. Doesn't have to be a blockchain. Doesn't have to be crypto. So that's why the gold-backed cryptocurrencies, I can see why it's a good idea. Because people want crypto to be backed by something. For example, Tether. For, you know, with a market cap of, let's see, $9.1 billion, people are wondering, hey, is that money all there? And ever since this market cap was just $1 billion, people wondered, hey, are the funds all there? And to this day, there's supposedly court cases open. Some of them they won, some of them they lost. But that's, you know, and then Bitcoin, it's like, what's it backed by? How do we know that this is actually worth something? So that's why people would say like, hey, gold-backed cryptocurrencies is a good idea. You know, if you don't want to hold your gold, you could have a custody provider and have your crypto instead. And let's just backtrack a little bit. One of the reasons why people like gold is because it retains its value in the times. You know, like if something goes down, you're in a country and your dollar, like Venezuela for example, your dollar just starts getting printed all crazy and it gets hyperinflated and it's not worth anything. You have something like gold or Bitcoin or silver to hold you over. Excuse me, but me personally, I'm not really sure if that's a good idea because somebody has to hold your physical gold, and that could easily just be taken as well. So if they're trying to take your money, for example, in China, you have a problem with people being able to withdraw their money from the bank. If you have your gold at one of these custody places and the government decides that they're going to stop them from operating, you're not going to be able to get your gold. So I'd rather have my own gold, and you can keep the gold, cryptocurrency, and stuff like that. But you know, always got to have a but. Since people think it's a good idea, and a lot of people getting into crypto don't really think like me, and it's being built, let's look at some gold-backed cryptocurrencies. Cointelegraph says betting on gold-backed stablecoins is a losing game. Now, the reason why I think they go with stablecoins is because you want the value to stay the same. If you have gold, then of course, if the gold is worth $1,500 an ounce, you want this coin to stay $1,500 an ounce. You don't want the price to fluctuate based on this market for this coin. You want it to be pegged to the gold. Going to the next article, 30 gold-backed crypto attempts have failed. There are 77 of them. So how do you know which one to pick? Me personally, I feel like, there's a lot of them because people, like I said, people just think this is a good idea. They're going to invest in it. Hey, I might as well invest in gold. But me personally, like I said, I'll buy my own gold, buy my own physical gold. Go to JM Bullion and buy my own physical gold, and then just buy some crypto separately. If you don't think any cryptos have intrinsic value in any type of way, then you need to learn more about cryptocurrency. It's like, I always use the example of Wi-Fi. You know what I mean? Like, you can't see a Wi-Fi, but you pay for it all the damn time and you use it all the damn time. So anything that you use is worth something. You know what I'm saying? So for everybody who thinks that cryptocurrencies are not really, a lot of them, a lot of them are just hot air, blowing hot air. So I digress. But let's get into these. Are there any cryptocurrencies that are backed by gold? Hey, look. Paxos is one of my favorite stable coins before USDC, but they have their own gold-backed cryptocurrency, and I wanted to look at the top 5 gold-backed crypto tokens. And the number one is this. They're not in any particular order, but the Perth Mint gold token is backed by gold in the Western Australian government. So if the Australian government says that ain't your gold no more, guess what? That ain't your gold no more. So like with Bitcoin, if I have my Bitcoin on my ledger, and even if I don't even have my ledger, I just throw it away, but I have my private key memorized, can't nobody take that from me. You know what I'm saying? So but this token is trading 1-to-1 on exchanges like KuCoin. You got DGX Global. DGX gold-backed cryptocurrency tokens are provided by Singapore-based DGX Global, which is with each token representing 1 gram of gold held in vaults in China and Singapore. The Bullion Association fully accredits and insures the vaults. I would need to see the paperwork on that before I even invested into that. You know what I'm saying? If I'm going to hold that long term, I would be scared. And I like looking at gold. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I'm like kind of hating on these, but you got the Paxos Gold. They issue the stable coin for Paxos, and it's supposedly backed. Paxos is a New York State trust company, issues Paxos G tokens that are backed 1 fine troy ounce of a 400-ounce London good delivery gold bar stored in Brinks vaults. The underlying gold is held in custody by Paxos, with full ownership rights belonging to the token holder. So, like for me, it's like you have the token. So yeah, it's a cool way to do it. You could hold the gold on your ledger or something like that. But to me, this is no different from Peter Schiff's method. You get what I'm saying? You can just go and sign up with their little gold company and get a little certificate or token or whatever. And they got Tether Gold. They got Metal Gold by Algorand. You know what? I'm just going to put this article in the description. And if you're really into gold-backed tokens and this is your thing, by all means, jump in. Me, personally, I will just buy myself a ledger, get myself some crypto, get myself a vault, buy myself some gold from like JM Bullion or MPEX Metals or any other online retailer for physical gold, and I would just hold that, because at the end of the day, you have to trust somebody. It's already hard enough to trust the custody person that your gold is actually there in a vault in Singapore. You know what I'm saying? It's already hard enough to do that, and now you have to trust a cryptocurrency token company on top of that. With that being said, I'm giving away this ledger at 300. Y'all know that. Let me know what's going on. And yeah, I don't know what my next giveaway is gonna be, but we'll see. Maybe I'll do a gold token or a silver bar or something like that. But yeah, if you guys are really into the gold tokens, the gold, this one right here is one of them, trading at 47 cents. But if you guys are really into these gold tokens and stuff like that, let me know, man. I need to hear the consensus of the whole group. How y'all feel about gold-backed cryptocurrencies? Till next time, peace.